Do you want to keep ahead of the competition in affiliate marketing? Would you like to know the trends that will influence the market in 2023? Look no further because we're going to look at the top affiliate marketing trends to be aware of in this year in this video. The continuous growth of influencer marketing comes first on our list. Working with influencers in your area can be a strong method to increase sales and brand exposure as more and more customers turn to social media for product suggestions. We'll see even more companies in 2023 utilizing the effectiveness of influencer marketing and coming up with creative new strategies to connect with their target market. The increasing emphasis on trust and transparency in affiliate marketing is another trend to look out for in 2023. Consumers are becoming more and more aware, and they want to be fully informed before making a purchase through an affiliate link. The increasing significance of mobile optimization in affiliate marketing comes in third on our list. Your affiliate links must be mobile-friendly because an increasing number of people are using smartphones to access the internet. Affiliates that put a high priority on mobile optimization will have a clear edge over those who don't in 2023. So, ensure that your website is responsive and your links are mobile-friendly. These are just a handful of the affiliate marketing trends to look out for in 2023. You'll be in a terrific position to succeed in the upcoming year by staying ahead of the curve and putting these strategies into practice. Thank you so much for viewing. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to be notified of new productions.